talk to us about how your team is working on building and developing some of these machine learning models that you guys are deploying into production.
Yeah, so I would say the data scientists are able to focus on what data scientists are good at in general, which is building the models and doing the analysis and scoping out and sizing the impacts of these models. We've recently brought on more folks in the MLOps team in our organization, whereas I guess before there wasn't such a dedicated team. And it was a huge part of what I had worked on to educate, help speak to the overall engineering team on what needed to be done, because it's not necessarily reasonable to expect like a data scientist to also do all those other things that, let's say, a MLOps engineer or also a software engineer is doing. So a lot of us had done some work, and I think it's good for data scientists to understand some of that stuff, understand a little bit of Kubernetes, understand Docker. That helps a lot with our role, but again, it's like structuring the team so that people can work on what their superpower is and then getting, let's say, ML engineers on board, and then they can focus on what their superpower is and like enabling everyone. So that's how our team has grown into collaborating and like spreading the load.